homework to do.
Homework? At recess?
Yeah, Mrs. Reagan, she gave us these math problems, and I've got, what are you going to do for them?
Oh, we haven't done math today.
Oh, did I say they haven't yesterday? I didn't get it done yesterday.
We had a math test yesterday. We don't have any homework. Now what's wrong?
Nothing. Nothing at all.
You're not sneaking out of our football game, are you?
No, maybe. I don't know.
Charlie, we need you. They got 6, we got 6.
Have you seen the 6 on their side? They're monsters.
Okay, so they're a little bigger than us.
A little. They got Eric Cooper, Kyle Hendricks, Gary Johnson. Gary's been in the 4th grade for 4 years in a row.
Okay, so they're a lot bigger than us, but that doesn't mean we're going to lose.
Allie, stop kidding yourself. We lose every day. You, me, Ray, DJ, Melvin, and Doug. We're no match for those guys. They beat us, and they rub our faces in the dirt. Let's face it, we're never going to beat them.
We will today.
No, we won't.
Yes, we will.
No, we won't.
Yes, we will. If you give up playing quarterback,
What? But I'm the starting quarterback.
you can play wide receiver, but you can't play quarterback.
But I'm the leader. I have to be the quarterback.
Not if you want to win.
But if I don't play quarterback, who's going to play quarterback? And don't say DJ.
Nope, it's not DJ.
Ray.
Nope, Ray's out sick.
Ray's our best receiver.
That's why we need you to play wide receiver.
So who's going to play quarterback?
The new guy.
New guy.
Yeah, Ed, the Beast Man Collins.
Beast Man.
That's right.
You mean the meanest, toughest, roughest player in the whole NFL?
That's
Beast
the
Man?
one.
But he's not in 4th grade.
Nope, but he dropped out of school in the 4th grade.
And he's here in our school.
Yep, weird, isn't it?
Wow, he's even scarier in person than on TV.
Right. Coach Daniel saw him walk out on the football field to be cute.
He puked? Is it true that he ate a live alligator once?
I don't know, but I do know this. Beastman is on our team, and if we let him be our quarterback, there's no way those big guys can stop us today.
You know what? I think you're right. I mean, look at that guy. If he's on our team, well, they're not gonna, we already won. They're gonna push our faces in the dirt because he's gonna step on it and push their faces in the dirt.
Come on, Charlie, what do you say?
Sounds to me like we have a new quarterback.
You ready, Beastman?
Oh!
All right, boys, let's play.
So, Beastman, is it true that you really ate a live alligator?
No, don't be silly.
I didn't think so.
I killed him with my bare hands, didn't I?